When your heat or air conditioning isn't running properly, you notice it. That's why it's so important to call a company who puts their customers first by providing excellent service and customer care.
Snyder was founded in 1973 on three simple core principles. Do what you say you're going to do, charge what you say you're going to charge, and show up when you say you're going to show up. And those three simple core values helped grow us into a 140 employee company now with over 11,000 maintenance agreements here in town. We still abide by those same core values: integrity, friendliness, understanding the value of our reputation, loyalty, of course, to our employees and to our extended family, which we also call customers. Right now, Snyder offers HVAC services, plumbing, and electrical services. We are always up to date on the latest trends and technology. As the industry progresses, so do we.
The state-of-the-art in-house training facility and experienced technicians help to set them apart from their competitors.
Here in our Snyder University, as we call it, is our state-of-the-art training facility. We have highly trained technicians who deliver core principles and fundamentals on HVAC technology as well as electrical and plumbing. At Snyder, we promote from within, so that's why when we hire from outside, we're not always looking for someone who already has experience in the industry. We're looking for people who are excited about growth and excited about learning something new and a challenging aspect to broaden their horizons and progress in their professional careers. Making a great salary, we allow the full course to take the student all the way up to being a diagnostic technician, performing major repairs at any house.
Snyder is in it for the long haul and aim to create long-term clients by building trust.
Snyder's been connected to the community for almost 50 years, and during that time, the thing we've stood for is taking care of the customer. It starts with that initial phone call. We have live agents available night and day. And the really cool thing about that is that commitment continues all the way to our field teams until the job's complete. And if something doesn't turn out right, our job is to make it right. That's one of the things we stand for. It's our legacy, it's what our reputation is built on, and we're really proud that more than 4,400 customers have given us a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. So our team's out there every day trying to protect that legacy in the field.
Snyder Heating and Air Conditioning is a customer-focused company with a reputation for supporting the community.
Snyderman was created in the early 90s just out of a love of comic books and superheroes, and the Snyderman character has grown with the company. Snyder is also really big into the community due to our long-standing time here, and we do that through a charity that we created in 2017 called Capes of Comfort, which really gives us an opportunity to give back to our customers and our community, from buying schools lunches for all their employees and students to doing yard cleanups for Marine Corps veterans. We like to get our hands dirty and get in there and help people.
Snyder Heating and Air Conditioning is proud to be a big company with a little company feel.
We've been fortunate enough to win, the Bold City Best Award, which is it's an award given to retailers and contractors in Northeast Florida for superior service and great customer care, and we're very fortunate to have won that 4 years in a row. As well as plenty of other Angie Service Awards and just a lot of things that really make us feel great about what we're doing.
Call Snyder Heating and Air Conditioning and experience their high-quality service for yourself. For more information, visit their website, snyderac.com or designingspaces.tv.